Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Edge when its key fob battery is completely dead. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and your vehicle has a clever backup system. We'll go through the steps together, ensuring you can get back on the road quickly and without needing a new battery immediately. This process is designed for convenience and peace of mind. First, you need to locate the special backup slot for your key fob. In many Ford Edge models, this slot is conveniently placed within the center console, often inside the armrest storage area or near the cup holders. For some vehicles, you might find it in a small, discreet compartment beneath the dashboard. Take a moment to find this specific spot in your car. Once you've found the backup slot, carefully place your dead key fob inside it. Make sure it's seated securely and fully inserted. Now, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. While keeping the brake pressed, immediately push the engine start-stop button. You should do this within about 10 seconds of placing the fob in the slot. Your Ford Edge should now start. Congratulations, your Ford Edge is now running. You can drive it normally. However, this is a temporary solution. Your next step should be to replace the dead key fob battery as soon as you can. Most Ford key fobs use a common coin cell battery, often a CR2032, which is readily available and easy to change. This will restore full functionality to your fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.